This video walks you through how to rename a field in Airtable. Begin by opening the Airtable base that contains the field you want to update. If you work with more than one base, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct one before making changes. Once the base is open, look across the top of your table for the field headers. These are the column names that organize the records in your table, and the field you want to rename will be listed there with the rest of your columns. Next, select the field you want to rename by clicking its column header. This brings your attention to the specific field you are about to edit. Make sure you click the correct header, especially if you have several fields with similar names. Renaming a field changes the label used throughout that table, so it helps to confirm the exact column before moving on. After that, open the field settings. On the field header, click the drop-down arrow to reveal the available options for that field. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Field. This opens the settings window where you can change details for the selected field, including its name. If the menu closes before you choose the option, click the drop-down arrow again and select Edit Field once more. With the field settings open, move to the field name and enter the new name you want to use. Replace the current name with the updated one, or adjust only part of the text if that is all you need to change. As you type, keep the new label clear and specific so it matches the way the field is used in your base. This is especially useful if the table is shared with other people or if you rely on field names to stay organized across views. When the new name is in place, save the change by clicking Save. Airtable will apply the updated field name to that column in the base. You should then see the renamed field appear in the column header where the old name was displayed. If you do not see the update right away, look back at the same header to confirm the new name has been applied after saving. That is the full process for renaming a field in Airtable. You opened the correct base, selected the field header, used the drop-down menu to access Edit Field, entered a new name, and saved the change. The field in your Airtable base now has its new name.